this guy.
3 brothers.
His name is Mike McKay.
2 are your brother. 2 of them are boys. 1's a girl.
This is just that right there will be his 10th donut. He's eating it within an hour. I think it's gonna cause diabetes and maybe AIDS at the same time. And I think he may die. So, let me ask you, anonymous person, do you think he's gonna die? Anonymous person, ask you a question.
No!
Do you think that this kid will die?
No!
What about you?
That's his 10th donut.
Literally, that's his 10th one. What? Oh, I think it's time. Oh. Mike. Do you want that to happen? Uh-oh. 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 Oh no. Yep, he's gonna go get sick. But Alan.
I don't think he'll live.
I think he finally got sick. You went to the bathroom? Why? How do you feel, man? Oh, I'm gonna show my face.
Yeah, I can see that. I couldn't.
Guys.
My mouth was cramping. I couldn't.
You were cramping. Screw you. Punch you in the neck. Dude, you just put water. Sarah, come here. Sarah. Jeffrey. Yeah, screw y'all. That's chocolate, dumbass. Technical recording is going on. Uh-oh. 6, 5, 4.
Let's go.
Wait, ew!